Alright, so this is Cambridge IELTS 13, okay, test 1, listening. Alright, in section 1, as usual, there's going to be like 2 or more speakers exchanging information. Alright, so number 1 to 10, you have to fill in the gap. You can write one word and or number, okay? It's about cookery classes. Alright, example, the food is in studio focus, how to blank. Alright, so that's how to buff one and cook with the seasonal products. And other information, small classes also offers blank classes. So what classes? And clients who return get a blank discount. So it's like how many percent, stuff like that. Okay, and another one, Born's Cookery School, food that is adjective, okay, and includes recipes to strengthen, to make something stronger. What is that? To strengthen. And they have a free blank every Thursday, a free what, okay. And number 7, the blank center. What center? Mainly blank food, what food again, and located near the what, okay. And special courses in skills with a blank is sometimes available, not all the time, sometimes. Okay, got it? Got it? All right, so let's move it on to the section 2. Section 2 is multiple choice, 11 to 13 multiple choice, and there's going to be a map. Okay, so 11 to 13. So there's going to be only one speaker. Traffic changes in the Grand Fort. Okay, why are the changes needed to traffic system in Grand Fort? Okay, the number of traffic accidents has risen, or the amount of traffic on the road has increased, or the type of vehicles on the road have changed. All right, why? In a survey, local residents particularly complain about what dangerous driving by parents, or pollution from trucks and lorries, or inconvenience from parked car. Okay, and according to the speaker, one problem with the new regulations will be what? The raising money to pay for them, finding a way to make people follow them, and getting the support of the police. Okay, got it? And now let's move it on. There is gonna be a map, and you have to, all right, you have to write the correct letters. Let me make it a bit smaller. Okay, so here you have to write these words. Okay, new traffic light. Number 14, new traffic light. 15, pedestrian crossing. 16, parking allowed. 17, new no parking sign. And 18, new disabled parking spaces. Okay, and the widened pavement and lorry loading unloading restriction. Okay, here is the map. All right, so number A to I, A, B, C, D, E, where's F? There's no, oh, F, G, H, I. Okay, there's like supermarket, school, chemics, bank, and the library. Okay, so listen to the audio and get them done. Okay, and section 3. Section 3, there's going to be like 2 or more speakers. It's about, okay, it's about, I think, agriculture or something like that. Okay, why is Jack interested in investigating seed germination? He may do a module on a related topic later, or he wants to have a career in plant science. He's thinking of choosing the topic for his dissertation. Jack and Emma agree the main advantage of their present experiment is that it can be described very easily or carried out inside the laboratory or completed in the time available. And what do they decide to check with a tutor? Whether their aim is appropriate, or whether anyone else has chosen this topic, or whether the assignment contributes to the final grade. Okay, and they agree that Graves' book on seed germination is disappointing. Why? Because it fails to cover recent advances in the seed science, or the content is irrelevant for them, or its focus is very theoretical. And number 25, what does Jack say about the article on seed germination by Lee Hall? The diagram of the plant development are useful, and the analysis of seed germination statistic is thorough, very thorough, and the findings on seed germination about fires are surprising. Okay, so now let's move it on. So now you're gonna have to complete the flow chart. Okay, use 5 answers from the box and write the letters A to H next to the question 26 to 30. Container, soil, weight, condition, height, color, types, and depths. Stages of the experiment: select seeds of different blank and sizes, different plural now, and measure and record the blank and the size of each one. Something else, what is that? Decide on the blank to be used. What should be used, okay? And use a different something for each seed and label it. In about 3 weeks, record the plant something and investigate the finding. All right, you have to fill in the blank with these words: container, soil, weight, condition, height, color, types, and depths. All right. Okay, and finally, the section 4. Section 4 is a university lecture. There's going to be one speaker. One word only: effects of urban environment on animals. Okay, introduction. Recent urban development represent massive environmental changes. It was previously thought, not anymore, that only a few animals were suitable for the city's life. Example, the blank. Okay, what animal? Because of its general adaptability. And the pigeons, because walls of city buildings are similar to something. What is that? And in fact, many urban animals are adapting with unusual something. What is that? Okay. And recent research, Emily Snell Root studied small urbanized mammal specimens from the museums of Minnesota, and she found the size of the blank had increased. What had increased? Gets bigger. She suggests this may be due to the need to the local news sources of something and to deal with the new dangers. All right. And Katarina Miranda focused on the something of urban and rural blackbirds, and she found urban birds are often braver, but were afraid of situations that were agitative. Jonathan Otwell studies how animals respond to urban environment, and he found that some animals respond to something. Well, what did the animals respond to? By producing lower levels of hormone. Okay, and Sarah Parton's team found the urban squirrels used their something. The squirrel used their something to help them communicate. What? All right, in the long-term possibility, species of animals may develop which are unique to cities. However, some changes may not be adjectives. All right, best of luck.